So we're going to fill in the missing parts from each neutralisation equation. So we have got a missing name here. So the missing name refers to this substance here. This is sodium, and OH is always hydroxide. So we've got sodium hydroxide being added to hydrochloric acid. So the name of our salt is sodium chloride. So sodium is Na and chloride comes from Cl, which is chlorine. Okay, question 2. Zinc oxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so they need to remember hydrochloric acid is HCl. We're making ZnCl2. So we're going to use the name here, zinc, and we've used hydrochloric acid. So the answer is zinc chloride. Now, the reason why this one is a 2 is because we're looking at the balance symbol equation. So we can have a little look at balancing equations in some other PowerPoint presentations, but for now, just realise that there are 2 hydrogens on this side to balance the 2 hydrogens on this side and the 2 chlorines on this side. So we've got sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. So the name of our salt is going to be sodium sulfate. Let's have a look at this. Now, this is where it becomes slightly trickier because the balanced symbol equation for this, sodium sulfate, is in fact Na2SO4. And that comes from the fact that SO4 as an ion has got a 2- charge. Na is only a plus, so you need 2 Nas to balance it. You can do some further reading on this if you so need to. And the thing that you would look up would be writing ionic formulae. Number 4, we've got something plus hydrochloric acid is making ammonium chloride. So our salt name, we know the ending comes from the acid. So we need to begin with something that contains ammonium. And we are going to use ammonium hydroxide. And this is the formula of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, NH4OH. Okay, so number 5. Calcium hydroxide plus nitric acid forms, well, we know that the alkali gives us the first name, calcium, and the acid gives the second part. So we're going to have calcium nitrate. So the formula of calcium hydroxide is this one here. And again, it is all to do with the fact that OH has a charge as an ion of just minus, whereas calcium is a Ca, or calcium 2+ ion. So we need to balance out the charges. But again, you can do some further reading to help you with the balancing of these formulae.